So hi everyone. Today we'll try to understand how we can run a text to video model, that is deforum stable diffusion model, in our local system. So basically, what does deforum stable diffusion do? So I think already I've explained how stable diffusion can be run on local for generating images from prompt. Now deforum stable diffusion goes one step ahead, and it is able to generate videos from text prompts. So we'll be again using replicate for running deforum stable diffusion because of restrictions in local system, hardware restrictions. So first of all, you need to go to the replicate website. You just need to Google search replicate, and eventually you'll get able to get replicate is a cloud platform that provides APIs for running state of the art models. So once you're able to sign in, you'll be getting a replicate API on the loading page only. Once you get it, you first need to set up your environment variable replicate API token as replicate API. Once you're able to do that, import replicate and run this particular model deforum forward slash deforum underscore stable diffusion stable underscore diffusion and the ID. And then the input equals to max frame, so it tells you about how many frames you want in your video. So 100 is the minimum. And then the prompt, so I'm using prompt as human faces. This might take some time, but eventually, as you can see in the output, you would be able to get a URL once the model runs successfully. Now if I run the particular video, it is a 6-second video that is generated, and here you can see that how it's working. So here you can see that the quality is pretty good, and you can also try it out for text to video conversions.